I'm Professor Dunham, and I teach physics and astronomy at Fredonia. So during an eclipse, as the moon is moving across the face of the sun, and you want to see that partial eclipse that makes the sun look like a crescent moon, right, you have to have protection. And protection means these eclipse glasses. Right? You look dorky when you put them on, but don't worry about it. Everybody else looks dorky. It's happening Monday, April 8th. The partial phase will begin just after 2 p.m. So that's when, if you've got the sun here, that's when the moon just starts to move in front. And then totality occurs at 3:17, and it's about 3.5 minutes. Totality is the few minutes when the moon has fully blocked the sun, so it's fully in front of the sun, and it casts a shadow on the Earth. The shadow is only about 100 miles wide, so as the shadow races across the Earth, there's only this very, very narrow strip that experiences totality. So most times when a total solar eclipse happens, you don't happen to be lucky enough to be in the path of totality, but we are this time. Experiencing totality is like nothing else. It is the most awe-inspiring thing to happen in the natural world. On Eclipse Day, we will be focused on providing a really good experience for visiting students. There'll be a maker fair, there'll be a pep rally, there'll be music performances, there'll be dance performances, there'll be food trucks on campus. The entire campus community is fully engaged with and has fully bought into the idea, right, that this is a big event and that we will make it a very fun day.